Hi everyone, and welcome back to Highlights at Home. If you're new here, you can click on the link you'll find in this video's description to subscribe to this free service. Now, first things first, take a look in the rearview mirror and give yourself a well-deserved pat on the back. You've come a long way. Most of us are concluding the 6th week of staying safer at home with our children. And it hasn't always been easy and it hasn't always been pretty, but I do know that you have succeeded in creating for your family some warm quarantine memories. But it's one thing to plan a program of games and activities to keep your kids productively engaged, and it's another thing to help them deal with the emotions they're feeling from missing their friends and family members that they can't see right now. So to help you with that, we've pulled together a collection of resources and ideas that will help you help your children stay in touch with the people they love. Ideas such as video caroling. There's some educational games that lend themselves to playing with friends on the phone or through video chat. We even suggest that your kids write letters or create cards to send to loved ones. And I know that may sound a little old school, but who doesn't love to receive mail? It's like receiving a hug, and who doesn't need some more hugs in these uncertain times, right? These activities, like all the activities you find in Highlights at Home, are designed to help keep your kids thinking and practicing reading and writing and math skills. But the act of reaching out to communicate with others will also help your children grow in social emotional development. When you engage with your children in some of these activities, you can help them begin to realize that as much as they miss Grandma and Grandpa are missing them that much too. As they select a game to play with their friends on the phone, you could urge them to choose the game they think their friend would like to play and not just choose their favorites. As they write messages to people they love that they can't see, you might encourage them to think about what they could say that would really make that other person smile. Even these small acts are great ways to practice empathy. They're opportunities for us to remind our children that the world doesn't revolve around them. And if you want to practice deeper acts of kindness, deeper acts of empathy, you can encourage your children to reach out to people they don't know. You might have them make signs to hang in your window expressing thanks or gratitude or notes of hopefulness to the neighbors. They could write thank you cards to first responders, to the guy who delivers your groceries, to the mail carrier. And helping them reach out to people they don't know to express gratitude or appreciation or encouragement is a way to help them stay connected with the larger world. And it's an opportunity for you to remind them about all the people who are working for the greater good. I hope this packet of resources is helpful to you as you help your children grow to become their best selves. Stay healthy, stay hopeful, and I'll see you again in a few days with some more resources. Take care.